carrying out software over the air updates on the infotainment screen on this 2024 Range Rover Vogue. Quick look on this is the infotainment screen. So you have to go to settings and check all. And first of all, check vehicle connectivity. Okay, the Wi-Fi. Let me connect to my iPhone. Okay, let me connect to my iPhone. Okay, it's connected. So go back. So software update. So you can see it has a new software downloaded and ready. So vehicle software did not install. So good news, the latest software updates that have been downloaded to your vehicle. So the estimated time for the software update is. So what you need to do, this update is going to take 45 minutes to be fully updated. So this is what we call software over the air update. It's like SOTA, SOTA, software over the air. If you click update now, you say close all windows, exit the vehicle, and alarm the vehicle to allow update to start. So once you come down, turn off the engine, and you exit the vehicle. So mind you, I've already set a reminder for 48 minutes after now. So once you shut it off, you alarm the vehicle to lock. So you can see the lights blinking. That's for the security light. Check out the triangle lights. You can see the tail horn. Tell you that the vehicle is not sleeping yet. So in 45 minutes time, we'll come again to check. Okay, this is 48 minutes. So let's check to see the updates. So let's see. So move straight down settings, check the all, then software update. Okay, so vehicle software is up to date. It is installed, which is today, January 28, 2026. The update includes, so these are all the applications that were updated. So you can see the vehicle software is up to date. So I hope you learned something new in this video. Kindly support me by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get more of my latest videos. Thank you for staying around. See you on the next one.